Welcome to Koala Chainsaw. With a blade that roars like thunder, this machine reigns supreme over any task. Its raw power and precision effortlessly transform even the hardest logs into perfectly smooth cuts, as easy as slicing through butter. Watching it in action is like witnessing a master at work, turning heavy, grueling labor into a symphony of strength and satisfaction. Every cut is precise, clean, and effortless, as if the machine reads the wood itself, guiding the blade through it with surgical precision. Logs that once seemed impenetrable are reduced to perfect, uniform planks, each slice smooth and seamless. It's as though the machine knows exactly where to go, making every movement feel effortless and natural. Witnessing its skill is mesmerizing, strength paired with finesse, transforming raw wood into something beautifully functional in mere moments. It's not just about cutting, it's about mastery, where precision meets power, creating results that are both stunning and satisfying. Imagine a warrior with a sword so sharp it cuts through silk like it's nothing. That's exactly what this machine is, a massive powerhouse built for the forestry industry. With precision that's unstoppable, it cuts through massive logs as though they're barely a challenge. This isn't just brute strength, it's a masterful piece of engineering. Each cut is a blend of raw power and expert craftsmanship, transforming even the toughest hardwood into perfect firewood with ease. It's so precise, it almost seems like the machine can read the grain of the wood, knowing exactly what needs to be done to achieve the best results. Watching this machine in action feels like seeing a true master at work, blending strength with grace effortlessly. No matter how dense or large the logs are, they don't stand a chance. The powerful yet smooth sound of its cuts echoes like an epic symphony deep in the forest, a real testament to what it can do. It's more than just a machine, it's a groundbreaking feat in forestry technology. It takes on the toughest jobs with unmatched efficiency, making what once seemed impossible seem simple. Logs that used to take hours to process are reduced to perfect pieces in just moments, showcasing the seamless fusion of innovation and performance. Watch it in action and feel the difference. This isn't just raw power. It's a perfect blend of cutting-edge technology and unparalleled performance, a true giant force shaping the future of the forestry industry. This sawyer's experience, skill, and precision are beyond question. No argument needed. Just watch him in action, and it's clear why he's considered a master. With nothing more than a string marked with chalk and a handheld chainsaw, he transforms a rough, bulky log into perfectly smooth, evenly cut planks. It's like watching a modern-day magician. He doesn't just cut wood, he bends it to his will. The way he maneuvers that chainsaw is like watching a master sculptor carve marble, each precise cut bringing out the hidden beauty within the wood. In his hands, the chainsaw isn't just a tool, it's an extension of his own skill. Sharp, controlled, and efficient. One moment, a rough log sits there like a stubborn giant, and the next it's transformed into perfectly sized planks, clean and uniform, like something straight out of a showroom. It's as if he has the power to make wood behave, guiding it with ease, slicing through it as though the grain is simply following his lead. Watching him work is mesmerizing, a blend of old-world craftsmanship and modern precision, with every cut as smooth and effortless as if he's been doing it his whole life. It's a show of skill, patience, and absolute mastery, turning the simplest log into something both beautiful and functional. It's hard to believe what the Hino Touch truck went through, a mind-boggling battle as it tackled an overloaded climb. Straining against the steep incline, the engine unleashed thick clouds of smoke, signaling the immense pressure placed on its core. The excessive load pushed the engine to its limits, leading to overheating, reduced efficiency, and a looming risk of catastrophic damage. But here's the kicker. Despite this Herculean effort, the truck showcased a resilience and strength that defy belief. Even while carrying tens of tons of timber over rugged terrain, the Hino Touch managed to pull off something remarkable. It towed another broken-down truck, proving its extraordinary capabilities. Picture this: the Hino Touch, a mechanical workhorse, roaring and puffing as it drags its overloaded cargo up an unforgiving hill. It's like watching a titan rise under the weight of impossible odds. The heat, the strain, the black smoke, it's all part of a dramatic showdown between machine and mountain. And just when it seems like the odds are stacked against it, the Hino Touch shifts gears, quite literally, and pulls off a feat worthy of applause. Dragging not only its hefty load, but also rescuing a stranded truck. It proves that it's not just a truck, it's a beast of burden and a savior rolled into one. This moment is a testament to the remarkable engineering and sheer tenacity of the Hino Touch. It's not just a vehicle, it's a symbol of strength and reliability in the face of adversity. Even when pushed to its limits, it finds a way to persevere, showcasing its ability to conquer challenges that would leave lesser trucks in the dust. The Hino Touch isn't just about raw power. It's about the kind of determination and grit that turns ordinary machines into legends. Whether it's hauling timber over treacherous terrain or stepping in to save the day for another vehicle, this truck proves that it's in a league of its own. Unbelievable? Absolutely. But when you're dealing with the Hino Touch, expect the extraordinary. Prepare to witness the Nisula 555C harvester paired with the powerful Volvo 145 excavator, featuring the Flex 14 undercarriage system. This dynamic duo dominates the forestry industry with unmatched stability and raw strength. Perfectly designed to handle wood with precision, it effortlessly thins and removes even the toughest bark in the harshest conditions, transforming large trees into manageable pieces with ease. The Nisula 555C harvester moves through dense forests with exceptional stability, gliding over uneven terrain like it's walking on air. Paired with a Volvo 145 excavator, it chops through thick trunks with pinpoint accuracy, while the Flex 14 undercarriage ensures maximum grip on any surface, whether steep slopes, mud, or rocky ground. This machine combines precision cutting with sheer power, handling even the most demanding forestry tasks with ease. It turns massive trees into perfectly processed wood, ready for transport or further use. With this setup, forestry work becomes efficient, stable, and precise, no matter how rugged the conditions. Get ready. This isn't just a machine. It's the future of forestry, where strength meets precision and power meets perfection. This harvester is an absolute must-have for large timber companies in the forestry industry. It's like the superhero of logging equipment, effortlessly tackling the most challenging tasks that used to bog down crews for hours. With its precision and raw power, it slices through dense forests as if the trees are simply getting in the way. Not only does it speed up the process, but it also handles the toughest logs with the finesse of a surgeon and the strength of a beast, turning heavy, cumbersome trees into neatly processed wood in record time. It's like having a team of lumberjacks on steroids, working tirelessly to clear vast areas with the precision of a Swiss watch. This machine doesn't just cut wood. It's a time saver, efficiency booster, and productivity miracle worker all rolled into one. It's like having a fleet of saws, bulldozers, and cranes packed into one rugged, unstoppable device. The perfect partner for any company looking to streamline operations and get the job done. Fast, efficient, and with no compromise on quality. When it comes to hauling timber, the KXF40 is the ultimate partner in crime. Think of it as the Hercules of tractors, but with a modern twist. Armed with a beastly 140 horsepower engine, this machine doesn't just move logs, it practically whispers them into submission. With every rev of its engine, the KXF40 unleashes a symphony of strength and precision, making light work of the heaviest tasks. Its fuel-efficient design is the cherry on top, saving you money without compromising performance. It's like having a lumberjack who drinks green tea instead of guzzling energy drinks. Strong, efficient, and surprisingly easy on resources. Imagine this. You're deep in the forest, surrounded by towering trees. The KXF40 steps in like a knight in shining armor, ready to conquer the workload. Its robust engine is your trusty steed, galloping through dense terrain without breaking a sweat. Meanwhile, its advanced fuel-saving technology ensures your wallet stays as full as your load of timber. But that's not all. This tractor doesn't just do the job, it dominates it. With the finesse of a ballet dancer and the power of a bulldozer, the KXF40 maneuvers through tight spaces, tackles uneven ground, and hauls hefty logs as if they were twigs. It's not just a machine, it's your forest companion, turning monumental tasks into manageable ones. And let's not forget its role in boosting productivity. With the KXF40, you're not just saving fuel, you're saving time. Think of it as having a turbo button for your entire operation. What used to take hours now takes mere moments, leaving you more time to sit back and admire your handiwork or plan your next big project. The KXF40 isn't just a tractor. It's a game changer, a log whisperer, a cost-cutting genius, and a productivity powerhouse rolled into one. Whether you're clearing a forest or transporting lumber, this machine is here to make your life easier, one smooth, fuel-efficient haul at a time. So, why settle for less when you can have the best? With the KXF40, you're not just moving wood, you're moving mountains quickly, efficiently, and with a touch of style. Truly, watch as it effortlessly shreds wood, turning massive logs into mulch with the power of a storm. It's a wonder of efficiency and raw, unrelenting strength. This machine doesn't just cut, it tears through trees like paper, breaking them down into tiny pieces like they're nothing but sticks. It's a beast on wheels, devouring wood with such ferocity, you'd think it had a grudge against trees. With every roar of the engine, it's as if the machine transforms into a force of nature, unleashing sheer might that reduces thick logs to mere splinters in seconds. It's like watching a giant blender in action, but instead of fruits and veggies, it's grinding through massive trunks like they're nothing more than twigs. It's both awe-inspiring and a little terrifying, watching such raw power in motion, as if Mother Nature herself had lended her strength for the day. And don't be fooled by its size. It might look bulky, but this machine is nimble, cutting through logs with precision that feels almost surgical. It's like watching a giant lumberjack wielding a chainsaw as big as a skyscraper, slicing through trees with effortless grace. Logs that used to take hours to process are reduced to sawdust in minutes, as though it's not just a machine, but a time-traveling miracle worker, bending the very fabric of nature to speed things up. If you're impressed by this machine, leave a comment. Whether it's a wow or simply silence, letting us know what you think. This is more than just a tool. It's a marvel of engineering, a titan of efficiency, and a force of nature all rolled into one. And with the power this machine possesses, even the biggest trees tremble. Thank you all for taking your precious time to watch the video and show your support. Every view, every kind word from you is such a big motivation that drives me to keep creating and improving. I hope you'll leave some messages and honest feedback to help me grow and make content that better suits your needs. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next video. Wishing you all good health, happiness, and all the best in life.